Hey YouTube, how's it going? Welcome back to Succomb's channel. Hope you guys are having a good day, because I know I am. Today I'll be doing another modification to the IS300. As you can see here, we got the headlights here cleaned out. What I'm doing today now is I'm going to go ahead and wrap the headlights with a tint film of some sort. And the film we have today is the, right here, Bio-Hex by VViVid. I think it's called Bio-Hex Plus Air Clear. I'm sorry, Bio-Hex Clear Air Tint. So I'm gonna go ahead and attempt to try to do that today. I've never done a wrapping job ever in my life. This will be my first time doing it. So if you guys like it, let me know in the comments. If you don't like it, let me know in the comments. And let's just see how it goes. All right, let's just get right into it. All right, first of all, just make sure your headlight's cleaned off as much as you possibly can. I'm gonna go ahead and cut part of this off. I don't need too much of it, for the headlight is not that big and that long. Okay, so let's just go ahead and try this out. Peel this off. Man, that's sticky. I guess I'll start in the center. Wow. There's just so much up here. Man, this corner. Probably need to trim all of these. Okay, it's starting to get wrinkles right here. Maybe I had to bring out the heat gun. Not exactly sure. I think it's probably this corner is gonna be tough. Whoa, almost two. I'll stop right here. guys, we're almost there. Don't rush it. Let's a little air. Much better, much better. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and trim all these extra pieces off. So what I'm doing here is going over the corners to make sure they seal. Got too much hair right here. I need to trim off. All right, guys. So here's the final result after trying it out for what, at least 25-30 minutes. First time doing it, I did the one side, and then I went to the passenger side, and this took me probably like less than 15 minutes to do on this side, since I figured out what I needed to do, which isn't too bad. Here's what they look like with the lights on. That's the driver's side. Here's the passenger side. Like, they look pretty good to me. I like it. It's not bad. Hey, so that's all I got for you today. Quick little mod right here on the headlights, just tinting it, you know, putting the film over it. I wanted to protect the headlights from, you know, rock chips and stuff and dirts on the road, and I didn't feel like cleaning the headlights like all the time, so I figured this would be like the best solution for it. If you like these kind of content, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, share, and I'll see you guys next time.